weapons on you? Oh, come on. Come on, please. Now, you can give this to them if you think they need it.
Probably not. Probably not. Yeah, this is one of our First Amendment auditors. So it matches the description based on.
You caught me on that fucking camera.
I do.
You up.
Oh, you want to threaten me out now? Huh? You want to threaten me now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What are you gonna do about it?
You want to touch me
What
now?
are you gonna do about it?
Can you back up a little bit, sir?
No, I'm good right here.
No, back
Leave
up
me
a little.
alone. Leave me alone. I'm not breaking any laws. Leave me alone.
You're a little close to
No,
us.
there's no law about being close to you. Leave me alone, please. No, there's not. What law is that? Quote that.
In a country built on freedom and the Constitution, civil rights aren't something to be trampled on at will. Yet there are still people in uniform who think they stand above the law. In today's video, we're going to witness citizens who dare to stand up. No yelling, no violence. Armed only with legal knowledge and a camera. Police approach them on the sidewalk, right in front of government offices, demanding ID, even trying to check for warrants despite no signs of criminal activity. But then, it's they who end up being overpowered by the law itself. This is a clear proof knowing the law is power. You ready? Let's dive in. Outside a post office in Van Wert, Ohio, this guy was conducting a First Amendment audit when suddenly a post office manager ran out demanding ID. When he refused, because he hadn't done anything wrong and the post office manager isn't law enforcement, they called the cops. When the police arrived, a typical audit unfolded, folks. Citizens exercising their rights fully legally, while the police showed up with nothing. No suspicion of a crime, no law being broken, yet they still demanded ID. Watch how these officers try to act friendly while violating this man's rights.
Hi there, sir.
Hi, how you doing?
How are ya?
Okay.
The post office was kind of concerned. One of the other businesses around the back was a little bit concerned. They thought your behavior was a little bit suspicious with the filming and everything like that.
Probably the shirt.
The shirt? That's good. I
I didn't want you guys violating anybody else's rights by trying to figure out who was being suspicious.
Okay. Do you have any ID on you, just so I know who I'm talking to?
Have I committed a crime?
I need to know who I'm talking to.
Have I committed a crime?
No.
Am I being detained?
But you are acting suspicious.
Am I being detained?
Well...
Am I being detained, or am I free to go? Okay, thank you.
They don't want you back on the property.
I haven't been on the property. I've been on public property. So don't give me a trespass warning if I've never been there.
I guess is all. I'm just curious, just for curiosity's sake.
Can I reach inside of here? Got you freaking out and tasing me and shooting me and.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Okay.
As long as you're not going to pull out a weapon on me, which I don't see why you'd have any reason to do that.
I don't have any weapons and I have no ill intent.
I'm sorry?
I said I don't have any weapons on me.
Okay.
And I have no ill intent.
Okay, good. And I don't either. I'm just, like I said...
You don't have any weapons on you? Oh, come on. Come on, please. Now, you can give this to them if you think they need it. It's my right to film any federal installation. I also have this for you.
Okay.
I refuse to waive my First Amendment rights, my Fifth Amendment rights, my Fourth Amendment rights, and I would not like to have any more questions asked unless my lawyer is present.
So, you won't let me know who I'm talking to?
Am I any under legal obligation to have to?
Officer Gershom, I've told you who I am.
You can call me senor or mister.
For documenting purposes, we need to know who we're talking to.
I don't need it to go to a fusion center and then be put on the do not fly list and make it to where I can't buy because I want to take pictures of buildings that I own.
Oh, that's not...
That's what it is. Yeah, I mean, but the report goes to a fusion center, right?
I'm sorry?
The report goes to a fusion center. It has to.
No, it would just be documented on our logs of speaking with, and I'd like to check you for warrants, okay?
So you want me to help you put me in jail?
Do you have warrants?
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay.
I mean that's this line of questioning. Have we moved from a tier 1 conversation to a tier 2 now?
Just speaking, sir. I'm not here to arrest you. I'm here.
Well, obviously you are if you're going to try to check me for warrants.
Are you going to allow me to answer your questions?
And speak with whoever you want. No, I've always been on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk.
That's it.
Okay.
Taking pictures. I was down here taking pictures too.
Okay.
So I guess I don't understand what the problem is.
There is no problem. Like I said, I wanted to see your ID so I knew who I was talking to. That you're telling me you're not going to give me that.
I don't. I mean, am I in the other legal obligation to do that?
And yes, you're right, to an extent. Look, here's what's going on. People are calling in because they were concerned about what you were doing.
Concerned about legal activity?
Listen to me. I'm not saying you're doing illegal.
Okay.
But I'm not doing illegal by talking to you.
Correct.
But we got a call that you were inside the post office. You were filming things inside the post office using to tell people what you were doing.
Okay, based on the paperwork, I can go into the lobby and film whatever I want.
You should.
All right, so that's legal activity again.
Upset over nothing.
No, what I'm getting upset over is postal employees who are not being held liable for filing a false police report.
Okay. They didn't file it.
Well, they made a false call. They made a false call.
You got to understand the day and age we're living in.
What day and age?
Look,
No, I don't, because I don't know what day and age. I just know that freshmen 2 years ago learned about 9/11 as a history lesson. They didn't learn about it as facts.
Listen to me very carefully. If you want to walk up and down a public sidewalk and a public street, and you can videotape and you can record all you want, at the point to where your behavior becomes disorderly and concerning to others, then we're going to act on it. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Right. I've looked over the disorderly, but nothing I've done that way.
Glad you're educating yourself on it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I have to.
So do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes.
Okay. So if we get reports of that, we're going to act. You understand?
Legal reports. Because they've already reported that I was inside the building and I was not. So as again, am I detained or am I free to go? So I'm free to go.
I don't have any reason to detain you.
Okay. Somebody's wanting to say hi to you.
Hi, Heather.
I mean, the gentleman from the post office came out and he asked me if he could help me. I said, yeah, you got a bottle of water or a Gatorade? I've been out here for a long time. He said, no. I said, you can't help me. I mean, I guess I don't understand what the problem is. I mean,
It just makes me, they see videotaping and they think that maybe you're trying to tape so you know how to get in if you are planning to break in later, or or you're watching little kids or that kind of thing. It just makes people nervous.
watching little kids.
This is a small town.
Neither of which on public property is illegal.
It's a small town.
Okay.
And so people get nervous when they see activity that they're not used to.
I understand that, but it's legal activity. So if I was running up and down in a chicken suit on the sidewalk, that would still be okay, though it looks suspicious.
It would, and we'd still come and talk to you because it makes people nervous.
But it's legal activity.
Yes.
So I'm being stopped for legal activity.
Well, I have to say, this auditor is a real professional. I mean, sure, police have the right to investigate if there's suspicious behavior, but when there's no reasonable suspicion that someone has committed, is committing, or is about to commit a crime, the police have no right to ask for ID, as they did in this situation. That's a Fourth Amendment violation. Let's keep watching.
I mean, you're coming to question me. I mean, that's what it boils down to.
Again, I'm not going to go into it like you said either.
Yeah. No. You watching? Okay. Yeah, Baton Rouge, Ohio. Yeah, they want to check me. Nope. Go ahead and call them. Yep. If anything happens, have them call the police department here. Yeah. Local PD, not sheriff. Uh-huh. No. Yep, just keep watching. This is amazing. I don't understand. Just don't understand. Am I supposed to wait for your partner, officer? No. Okay. Well, have a good day.
100% of cops probably didn't expect things to go this way, but that's how the law works, folks. No reasonable suspicion of criminal activity, no laws being broken, so there's no reason for citizens to accept being detained or handing over ID. After this interaction, the auditor had another encounter with law enforcement. Unfortunately, they still didn't seem to learn anything from the previous experience.
How's it going, man? We meet again.
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Hey, you got some ID on you real quick?
What's that? Is that a gang sign of some kind?
No, it's identification.
For what?
The post office called, said that you're taking pictures and stuff, and they're kind of feeling uncomfortable, so we want to ID you to make sure you're okay. And
Not unless I've broken a law, sir.
that?
Not unless I've broken a law.
Well, you're making people feel uneasy and stuff like that, so we just want to identify you to make sure everything's okay.
That'd be
right.
code 34285 3.5.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, when you tell me what crime I've committed, I'm obligated.
You haven't committed a crime.
Then I'm not
okay?
obligated
But
to ID.
why are you taking pictures and stuff? You're making people feel uneasy. See what I'm saying? When we get called to something, we got to serve and protect the people, right? So when they call us and they're concerned about somebody, okay? But I don't need that, okay?
My Fifth Amendment right.
Okay.
You're being live streamed.
What's that?
You're being live streamed.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. You
Audio and
videotape
video
me all you want
record.
to, okay?
I know I can.
I'm just telling you.
I'm simply letting you know.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, here, you want to read it?
No, I don't need to read it. I'm just telling you why I'm here.
Then you know my Fifth Amendment.
What's that?
You know my Fifth
Correct.
Amendment. Okay.
Right. But when we get called a suspicious person, sir.
What? Now, is that a misdemeanor or a felony, sir?
What's that?
A misdemeanor or a felony?
You haven't committed anything. But I'm just trying to
then I
figure
don't
out
have to ID
who you are.
You can call me good citizen. You can call me whatever you want. You can call me bright guy with a camera. I'm not hiding in the bushes.
I didn't say you were hiding in the bushes.
Well, I don't know what they said.
Well, they called concerned, okay?
Well, that's their fears don't trump my rights. Are we in agreement with that?
No.
Okay. Well, that's too bad because that's the law.
Okay, well.
I know the law and so do you. We both know the law. And that failure to ID law only pertains to if I've committed a misdemeanor or felony.
Well, what are you doing taking pictures?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
I have a right not to.
All right. You have a good day, sir, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Ultimately, this audit shows one thing clearly. First Amendment rights and the right to stand on public property and film are not theoretical. Citizens can fully exercise their rights legally, and conflicts with staff or police often come from misunderstandings or misapplications of the law. This is also a vivid demonstration that understanding basic rights will help citizens protect themselves, even in seemingly normal but potentially conflict-ridden situations. Another situation where police try to assert power over innocent people, but as soon as they realize the other party are First Amendment auditors, fully law-abiding, they have to back down. In this case, officers from the Bryan Police Department stopped a man because his bike supposedly matched the description of a stolen one. I mean, it's an old excuse, but they love to reuse it. Throughout the interaction, the man remained perfectly calm, answered selectively, and firmly protected his constitutional rights, while the police were powerless to infringe on him.
Stop right there, sir. Stop. Hey, partner. Hey, I'm Officer Poland. Can you hear me? I'm Officer Poland, Bryan PD. Reason why we're stopping you is your vehicle matches, or your bike matches a stolen vehicle.
Somebody called you and said that to recognize their bike as theirs.
Is it yours?
Or can you hear us?
Sir?
Sorry.
Sorry, did you hear what we said?
We're going to be on Old Curtain and Waco. Oh.
Okay.
I don't know if they have like a VIN number.
Sir, do you know where the VIN is on that?
These officers have stopped me. They say that my bike matches the description of a stolen bike.
Yes, sir. Someone called it in. They're in the area.
You're at Waco and Curtin.
Advise dispatch. Can you, 22. Advise dispatch. Were we able to find that report that the RP was talking about? Alright, so just let you know what's going on. We're contacting College Station right now just to see if it matches the description. Like I said, we got a reporting party saying that it matches the description. All we're doing is investigating that, okay? What's up? Doing well yourself?
A stolen bike?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Yeah, this is one of our First Amendment auditors.
Oh.
So it matches the description based on the reporting part, and this is his bike most likely.
Okay.
Yeah, so we should be good.
You good?
Yeah, thank you. Just out enjoying the day?
I don't ask a question.
Okay. You got the right idea. I'm gonna stand with you in the shade. How's he on two guys?
So, the bike I'm looking at is a black motorized bike. It has a double kickstand on the bottom that lifts the wheel up. It has 2 aero tires, 2 black fenders. It looks like it has blinkers. Are these blinkers? And then it has like a flashlight. It has a gas tank. Do you know what size the motor is? Or what kind of seat you have?
Got it. Get you logged on the call, please. And the male that's going to be riding the bike is going to be our First Amendment officer, Eddington, I believe.
Okay. All right. Well, at this point, I think your friend's going to be mistaken, and I don't think it's going to be your bicycle. Okay. Yeah. No. It's
Negative.
It's fine. We still have to investigate, and things happen. So. Yeah. Absolutely. You take care.
You got any questions for us? All right, Gonzalez, you need anything from me? No. All right, you're free to go. Have a good one.
Honestly, I was a little shocked to see the police let this guy go without any further pressure, because right from the start of the video, I saw them approaching with a pretty aggressive attitude, as if they were trying to blow things up from a baseless incident. They asked all kinds of unnecessary questions, like testing the guy's reactions. But once they realized he knew his rights, you could see the tension drain from their faces. That's why they kept pointing out that he's a First Amendment auditor. Anyway, this situation is a clear example of how standing firm on your constitutional rights not only protects you, but also keeps those with a little power cautious and unable to abuse their power as usual. This guy brought a camera to the Florida Family Services Center in Panama City to do what he usually does, check if the government respects his legal rights. But he was quickly blocked by staff, while someone even tried to attack and threaten him. What was supposed to be a normal audit quickly turned into a tense confrontation, pulling the police into the situation. Let's see what happened and whether his civil rights were successfully protected. Stay tuned.
Sir. Sir.
Sir. I'm sorry? Actually take a video as well. What do you mean? Nothing in particular, just everything. You guys are too, right?
Sorry?
You guys are too, right? All activities monitored by video and camera?
To get that letter, give it to her again to be able to reuse your application. Oh, yeah. Okay, is that all? Yes. Okay. Yes, sir.
You can't over here, sir. Get over there.
No.
You cannot have pictures of these pictures over here, sir.
No, I'm in a public area. You don't tell me what to do. Don't escalate this.
I will escalate this. You can get.
Well, let's do it
on
then.
Screen, sir.
You're gonna lose.
Get on this side of the screen.
No.
I will call police.
Go ahead. Turn your screen around.
Personal information from our clients from a...
Turn it around. That's on you to protect. Turn your screen. You're over here screaming. Matter of fact, let me get a supervisor.
I am a supervisor.
Oh, imagine that. You want to start over?
No.
Let's not then. Hide your screen.
I can ask you to leave this office, and you absolutely can't.
I have done absolutely nothing wrong.
Does it matter?
It does.
It does.
It doesn't.
Out of the office.
No. Go ahead, call whoever you want. Call the Ghostbusters. This is a public office. Hide it. Over here screaming to people. Huh. Incredible.
You got me on that fucking camera.
I do.
You up.
Oh, you want to threaten me out now? Huh? You want to threaten me now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What are you gonna do about it?
You want to touch me
What
now,
are you gonna
huh?
do about it?
Really?
You little
You want to assault me, huh? Why don't you mind your business, dude? I didn't say anything to you. Yeah, you can call the police. He just assaulted me.
Good, call the police.
I will. I will. I don't play games with people like you. You want to bump into me and assault me, right? I got you, buddy. Police are on their way now. ×2. So here's the police department. Let's see their parking job. Look at that. Is he going into a parking spot? I think he is. Nice, man. Dedicated to excellence, people serving people. I like it. How you doing, sir? How's it going? Panama City? Yeah. Do you have a name badge number?
Officer Black.
Okay, thank you. You got your body cam on?
Yeah.
Okay. I'd like to start off with that. I'm sorry. There was a call for service. I reported assault and criminal threatening. I don't know if they called you guys as well for somebody being suspicious, taking pictures, video. I don't know if you're on like a 2 call for services right now or just 1.
Okay.
Are you aware that the supervisor might have called you guys?
No, I mean, I'm just...
Okay, so you're here for the assault?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's me. Okay. I'm just going to let you know I was in there peacefully recording, taking pictures, which I have a civil right to do. I am not and will not be going into any restricted areas, okay. Which I have not and will not do. Okay. It's a public lobby right there. Everything else is locked, which is fine. I was in there peacefully recording for a few minutes, and the supervisor in there kind of told me you can't be taking pictures, you can't record. Meanwhile, he's in there blurting out personal information, violating HIPAA, you know, the whole 9 yards. And then this gentleman right here actually assaulted me. Okay, he bumped into me, pushed into me, and he criminally threatened me, told me he was going to kick. I had no engagement with him prior to, and he pushed me and he shoved me, and no, he does not. But that's him right there with the glasses. Yep. And I'm not playing this game. I don't go around doing that. So. I'm right. Don't do that, okay? I'm giving you your distance. 25 feet? 25 feet. The Halo law, dude. You want to stop that bull? Really? I'm giving you enough space, dude. Calm down. Halo law, dude. They huh. Okay. They love the Halo law out here, man. It's kind of hard to interfere in my own investigation, no? There you go. There you go. He just told you he assaulted me. He literally just admitted that he assaulted me. Let's see what they do. How you doing? Dude, I'm trying to give you your space over here, you know what I mean? I wasn't going any closer, man.
What I'm going to do
Yeah.
is I'm going to go ahead and check this video, all right?
I have video too, I could show you. I'm just saying.
Fine. You pushed him, you're claiming that you pushed him.
Dude, I never touched him.
Obviously there's going to be video in here.
There is.
But I've let him know
Yep.
either way, whoever, obviously you didn't want him to contact with
No.
you. I want you to contact with him.
I-
Whoever initiated that contact
did.
will be charged today.
He did.
Okay? And that's fine.
Well, verbally and physically.
I
I never said anything to him.
I understand.
And I never touched him.
Okay.
And I wouldn't call you if I did. It would be self-defense if that was the case. So yeah, I mean, I could show you my video if you want to as well.
You're welcome to show that to Officer Foster here. He's just getting here to the scene.
That's fine.
These two got into a disagreement.
Well,
they were.
he did.
One of them pushed someone. I'm gonna go in and check the video.
Yeah, I'll show you mine
saying
too.
that he's got video.
Yeah.
You're welcome to look at that.
Yeah, that's fine.
This is in the shade. I can't see.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, let's stand over here. I appreciate it, man. I'm new to the area, so it's really hot out here. First of all, if you don't mind, name and badge number.
Oh, Foster 318.
318. You got your body cam on?
Yeah, it's wrong.
Just want to make sure. All right, I'm gonna shut this off.
Yeah.
Because I do have it rolling.
Okay.
And I'll show you the video, and then we'll just go from there.
Yeah, I know. Also, they have cameras inside too. But you got it.
The irony, right?
Yeah.
The irony, man.
Yeah, they do have cameras.
I never touched him, man.
No, I got you.
You saw that. You know, and I never even said nothing to the guy until he did. And the first thing out of his mouth was that he was threatening me. And then he actually acted on it, so. Is he detained right now?
The officer that you just got done talking to, he is the primary officer.
I understand.
I think he's getting his side to him, and then he'll come out once he sees the video. Did you show him the video?
No, I didn't get the chance to.
I'll have that. Well, I know you're recording. When he
That's
comes
fine.
out, I'll show him too. I'll tell him that. What I
Well, I mean, typically, I mean, he should be detained right now. Not in handcuffs, as long as he's not trying to walk away. But I'm just saying, you need to do your investigation. You know what I mean?
I think. Did you want to press charges?
Oh yeah, I'm not playing games, man. If I assaulted somebody like that, okay,
Yeah.
you know damn well.
Let me go talk to him real
Yeah,
quick.
do your thing, man.
Yeah.
Should have gone inside. Tell him you saw the video.
Yeah.
Did he look at the video in there as well?
Yeah, he did.
Okay.
Yeah.
It matches up, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. He's I know he's gonna probably want to see yours. I told him what I saw.
That's
that-
fine. Yeah. No, it's fine, man.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not gonna.
No, I'm just letting you know that.
Can't just be out here assaulting and criminally threatening people just because you're unaware of, you know, the laws or rules and regulations or civil rights. You know what I mean? You can't be ignorant of that. If you don't know, ask. You know, but you can't just go around assaulting people, man. It's crazy.
No,
It's just a camera, you know. You get a supervisor coming too, or is there?
I believe so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured.
Well, and too, it's at the.
I understand.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just crazy. You know what I mean? It's like this is such a waste of resources, man. It's unnecessary. You know. I mean, it is necessary because I was assaulted, but just saying, there's other things going on out there that you guys could be doing, you know? Oh, it's the same earlier. Great. Beautiful. Great. Oh, I met him earlier. Yeah. Huh. Same officer from my last video.
You cannot wear a mask.
I can't wear a mask.
You can't wear a mask with.
Why is that?
Because it's against the law. You have to take it up with the state.
Oh, I will, because I'm not taking it off. Freedom of expression. I can wear a mask anywhere I want.
First Amendment.
Yeah, freedom of. Well, there's 5 elements. Can you even name them? Can you even name the 5 elements? I wouldn't either if I was you. I need to know if there's a witness to this. Did you see the assault?
We absolutely saw everything.
Dude.
What's up,
We
man?
meet again. We meet again, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, assaulted twice today.
I know.
What the hell's going on?
So, for the complaints, if you want to press charges.
Yeah, he's got all my info. I mean, I'll do a witness statement or whatever it is. I know the deal. I know. It's look, man. This isn't what I want to do.
We got it on camera.
Yeah. He was just saying, and you know, I told him. I said,
you can put that you want to prosecute and all that.
right, I do. I'm not gonna get assaulted out here, man. That's crazy. You know, they're violating HIPAA, giving out, you know, personal information. You know what I mean? And like I'm telling them, like, turn your screen. You know, keep that private, man. Shouldn't be blurting up. You know. I know the deal, man. I did this one. I did this earlier. I was assaulted by corrections.
Did you get one of these before?
Earlier today by him.
There you go, bud.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, give me a second. Can I just ask you a question? Seeing all the evidence from my camera, his camera, and my statement, what's going to go on with him? He's just going to get free to go?
No. Charge and all that will be with him.
I know, but what's the process?
I believe he's going to be charged with battery.
And he's going to be taken in, or?
It's either that or NTA, summons, or he could be taken in.
Okay.
So again, I don't know what route.
Well, he did lie to you and say that I assaulted him. And you know damn well that's not true.
Right.
I mean, come on. That's now you're lying. All right.
Did you already give your information?
He, South already knows that I dealt with him earlier today. I got the statement for him here. I'm going to fill it out right now. If I do just have a question, what is the process now with him knowing and seeing all the evidence? Is he going to be taken in? Is he going to be summoned?
So I'm not going to take jail today.
Okay.
He is going to get a notice to appear that will give him a court date. And
Okay.
then he will go forth with charge of battery.
Okay. All right. No, that's fine. I mean, I just want to know the process. You know what I mean? I'm good either way. I don't like to see people getting, you know,
Basically,
taken.
he's going to get the NTA, and then the state attorney's office will contact
What's
you. and see-
NTA?
notice to appear.
Okay, all right, I'm sorry. Not
And the
go
state
with it.
attorney's office will call you at a later date if you still want to move forward with charges or
Yeah.
whatever. And if you do at that time, you just let them know and
You
then they'll
know,
move forward with it.
to be, how about that? Let me. I don't usually do this. Okay. I don't like to see people go to jail. Okay. I'm not injured. Okay. I don't know if you educated him and let him know what's really going on. Okay.
Yeah, we did.
That's all I want at the end of the day. Okay. So if you listen to this, if he apologizes to me, okay, like a man, okay, and goes about his day and I go about mine, I will not press charges. You want to give him that opportunity? I think that's a good deal. Sincerely, look, I'm here for education, okay? I am. I'm not here to bust people's balls. I'm not here to stop them from working, okay? We're in public. I think they explained to you.
One thing, you were busting my balls in there, and you were busting their balls, the employees.
I didn't say anything to anybody. We're not going to go backwards here. I do want to move forward, okay? I don't want to see people go to jail for something simple like this, okay? I'm not injured. You know, I mean, the police were called. I have to do what I have to do because I can't be going around getting assaulted by people no matter what. Now, if you're educated and they explain to you about what's going on and what we're allowed and what we're not allowed to do, and you take that, okay, and move forward with it in your life and understand that we do have a civil right to do this, and you give me a sincere apology. I'm not asking you to go on your knees and everything else. A sincere apology, quick and painless, and I will not press charges, and we will go about our day, man to man.
The other officer, the bald one and this one, explained to me about the thing.
Yep, he's pretty good. They're pretty good.
Because it's public.
Exactly. And you could have done the same. You could have asked me the same.
What happened, and it won't happen again.
Good?
I am good. Can I shake your hand? Shake your hand? All right? That's how men do things, okay? So if you have any questions or anything about somebody doing something I do, just ask. Be polite, be respectful, and I'll tell you.
All right. It's unfortunate that this auditor didn't press charges for assault, but in the end, the goal of this video is educational, and the man learned his lesson, so that handling is understandable. However, this situation also reflects a very real issue. Even in public spaces, ignorance of basic civil rights persists. That easily leads to unnecessary tension and conflict. This is clear proof that legal and civic education is absolutely essential. When he saw the police at a gas station with a code 3, an ambulance was called. This guy wondered what happened, so he went closer to observe and record. However, just a few minutes later, the police ordered him to stop and back up, citing officer safety. There is no law that says you have to stop exercising your constitutional rights for the safety of the officers, so this guy stood his ground and the tension began. Let's see how this guy defended his rights against police abuse.
We're in Antioch, California, and I'm not sure what's going on here. We followed this guy in with lights going. They came code 3. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 2, 3. It's hot out here. My camera just shut off. Hope we can keep it going. Well, this might be some kind of medical. Camera keeps shutting off. It's looking like medical anyway. Why fire showed up so quick, unless it's for the medical. Okay, so they're clear for medical, I guess. here coming in. No, I'm good right here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not breaking any laws. Leave me alone. No, there's no law about being close to you. Leave me alone, please. No, there's not. What law is that? Quote that. So I can make you look silly. That's not a law. What law? You said yes, there is a law. What law?
148.
148G? Yeah, I'm recording you.
Hold on, folks. I really thought this officer was being foolish when citing officer safety laws to block filming, but when he mentioned 148G, specifically California Penal Code Section 148G, the absurdity became even clearer, because this law explicitly states that photographing or recording law enforcement is not considered resisting an officer. Let's keep watching.
Remember that law? You guys just want to whisper and not let anybody hear you. Why are they messing with you guys? Why are they messing with you?
Probably don't want to be on video either.
Well, cite some laws, Duffy, or shut the fuck up, okay? Yeah?
I'm at 7-Eleven. It's okay to keep one car right here.
So it sounds like they're having car trouble.
I gave you a ticket before for registration.
So it sounds like this is car trouble. They came code 3 over car trouble. You don't have to answer any of his questions, and you shouldn't. They're trying to pin you on something now.
Yeah, he said he'll be cool with it. Just so tip him, he's fine with it. Or you can park it. It's fine. But he's not going to be like, yeah, there's the parking.
Duffy's pissed off. They don't like to be told no. I cannot keep my camera on out here. Hey, I'll help you push it if you need to get it over in the parking spot. So I'm gonna have to shut my camera off here for a minute and pick it up if something else happens. This guy what? Yeah, beware. Career enders. Right here. Don't let it be yours, Duffy. Don't let it be yours. Yeah, I'm a pretty nice guy. I'm fair, Duffy. Just treat me the same, all right?
I don't want my window to hit you.
Oh, it won't. Hey, 54 years. I ain't been hit 57 years. Ain't been hit with one yet. Do better. Be nicer. Remember who you work for.
Leave it here until your friend picks it up. So you're fine.
Alright, except for the corporal citing officer safety law, the other deputies seem focused on their job, which is exactly what they should be doing. This experience shows that when citizens know their rights and stand firm, overreach is controlled. It also highlights how misinterpretations of the law can create unnecessary tension. This is a lesson in transparency, accountability, and mutual respect. Alright. That wraps up today's video. Through these situations, we see clearly that when citizens understand their rights and stand firm, any abuse of power or imposition by law enforcement can be checked. This video also serves as a reminder that transparency, respect for civil rights, and accountability are essential for police to do their jobs effectively and fairly. If you found this content useful, don't forget to like, share, and thanks for joining today's channel. See you next time for even more tense interactions in upcoming videos.